Hello? Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Then last class, uh, proofs completed, no? Sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a completed. Aditya, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a
Yes, sir.
completed proofs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, submultiple angles, trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles. Sin A. Sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 is equal to 2 tan A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. Second one, cos A. Cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. Third one, tan A. Tan A is equal to 3 tan, okay, 2 tan A by 2 upon 1 minus tan square A by 2. All of you note down. Sin A, cos A, tan A.
So these are formulas.
Formulas. Sin A, cos A, tan A.
Okay, sir.
Multiple angles sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A.
So could you tilt the camera a bit up?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles. All of you done?
No, sir.
Today present 9 members, 10 members. Next, trigonometric ratios of submultiple angles in terms of cos A. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one, cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 plus or minus under root cos A by 2 plus or minus under root 1 plus cos A upon 2. Second one. Second one, sin A by 2. Sin A by 2 plus or minus under root 1 minus cos A upon 2. Third one, tan A by 2 plus or minus under root 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. In terms of cos. How to prove? This one. Cos A by 2 plus or minus under root 1 plus cos A by 2. We know that cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1, right? 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 send that side. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. 2 send denominator. 1 plus cos A upon 2 is equal to cos square A by 2. Then square 1 plus cos A upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Cos A is equal to, next, cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Second one you have to find, you have to prove. Cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. This is second one. First one. Understood?
Yes, sir. So can you
Okay.
please move your blocking?
Okay. Next, cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Sin A by 2 find. Sin A by 2 prove it. Tan A by 2 reciprocal right. tan a by 2 is equal to sin a by 2 upon cos a by 2. Third one. All of you done? Completed
No,
homework?
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Not completed.
Sir, this one, right?
Not this one. Homework.
Sir,
Compound
did you
angles.
upload it?
Compound angles.
Sir, you didn't upload, right? I checked day before yesterday. It was not there.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
Hmm. Next problems. Problems. First one. First one. If sin A is equal to, if sin A is equal to 3 by 5 and A is first quadrant and A is first quadrant, A is first quadrant, find sin 2A, cos 2A and tan 2A. Find sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. If sin a is equal to 3 upon 5 and a is first quadrant, find sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a.
So first quadrant sine is positive
Yes.
and cos is negative. Only sine and cosecant.
First quadrant all positive.
Oh, all positive.
All positive. Ashish. In first quadrant all positive. Second quadrant sine and cosec positive. Third quadrant tan and cot positive. Fourth quadrant cos and sec positive.
So just a minute, almost.
Hmm.
So is it 24 by 5?
20?
4 by 5.
24 by 5. 25.
Sir?
24 upon 25. Ashish, sin 2a.
Yes, sir. 24 upon 25.
Cos 2a.
Yes, I found only sine 2. I'll find cos 2 now.
Okay.
Sir,
7 by 25 cos 2a.
7 by 25 cos 2a. Okay.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
tan 2a.
Yes, I'll do it.
sir, stand to a 24 by 7.
Yes, correct. 24 upon 7. All of you done?
No, sir, doing.
Yes.
Deepika, Navika.
So I'm getting different.
Different answer. Aditya?
So Ashish, yes, sir.
Ashish.
57 by 20, I'm getting.
Which one?
Tan 2A.
Tan 2a.
Yeah.
51 by
57 by 20.
57 by 20. How? Ashish? 57 by 20.
Not 57, 15, sorry.
15
By 19.
by 19. How? 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Correct? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
2 into tan a. Tan a is equal to
3 by 2.
3 by 2 or 3 by 4?
3 by 4, yes, sir. 2 into 3 by 4 is 3 by 2. Divided by 1 plus 3 by 4 square.
3 by 4 square. 3 by 4 square, 9 by 16.
Yes, sir.
9 by 6, 16 minus 9
Yes,
upon
sir. Yes, sir. I
16.
got where I made mistake.
Ah,
I got where I made mistake.
okay, okay. Okay, next problem. All of you done? Deepika, Navika, Rajesh,
Yes, sir.
Rajesh Shirai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Srinidhi, done. Tanya Singh,
Yes, sir. Done.
done. Tanya,
Yes, sir.
okay. Trishala,
Done, sir.
okay. Y by V, Y by V,
Done, sir.
okay, okay. Next problem, important. Second one. Find find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Important. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2 in each of the following. In each of the following sin x is equal to 1 upon 4. Sin x is equal to 1 upon 4. X is second quadrant. X is second quadrant. X is second quadrant. Do 3 problems is there, 1 problem I will give. First one. Very, very important model. See, x lies between x lies between
90 and 180.
90 and 180, second quadrant. Okay. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Now, second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. Correct? Pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Now, x by 2, pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. In which quadrant?
Second.
Second. Pi by 4 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. Which quadrant?
So just a second. So it's between 90 and 45.
Hmm.
First quadrant.
First.
And clearly see pi by 4 in first quadrant only, no? Pi by 4
Yes, sir.
less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. Now here x is lies between in second quadrant. See, x is lies between second quadrant, x by 2 lies between first quadrant. That is the logic. Now find x by 2, sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Most important problem, 4 marks.
So,
Srinidhi,
so my answer is 2 root 4 minus
sin
root.
x by 2.
Yes, sir.
2 root
4 minus root 15 by 2.
2 root 4
Minus root 15
root 15
by 2.
by 2. 2 comma
Sir, the 2 root is common for 4 and root 15.
okay. This one, huh?
No, sir. No, sir. 2 4 minus root 15 by 2 whole root.
See, cos x, tell me first, cos x. Cos x tell. Sin x is equal to 1 upon 4. Cos x. Cos x is equal to
Root 15
by 4.
root 15 by 4.
by 4.
Root 15 by 4 or minus root 15 by 4?
So minus.
Minus root.
Minus. Okay, Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
Cos x is equal, see, sin x lies between in second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin is positive, but cos is negative. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Srinidhi.
sir.
Sin x is second quadrant is positive, cos x is second quadrant is negative. Fourth quadrant is positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Fourth quadrant cos x is positive and sin x is second quadrant is positive.
Yes, sir.
Then cos x is equal to minus 15 upon 4.
Yes, sir.
Now substituting.
So plus or minus
then-
root over 1 plus root 15 by 8.
So then the
Sin x by 2.
Yes, sir. Sin x by 2 is only plus or minus root over 1 plus root 15 by 8.
1 plus root 15 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
Plus or minus
Wrong,
whole
wrong,
root.
Ashish. Wrong, Ashish.
sir,
Ah,
is it 2 4 plus root 15
Hmm.
by 2 whole root?
Okay. See, shall I explain? First one.
Yes, sir.
Calculation, this problem, calculation mistakes. Some students are calculation mistake. See, this problem is sin x by 2 find first. Now, sin x is equal to 1 upon 4. Cos x is equal to minus under root 15 by 4, right? Now, sin x by 2 is equal to, sin x by 2 is equal to
Plus or minus
Plus or
root
minus
of 1
1
minus
minus
cos
1 minus
a by
cos
2.
x by 2.
cos x by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, sin x by 2 is equal to under root 1 minus means plus root 15
So, root 15
upon
by
4
4
upon
by
2,
2.
right? Is equal to under root, take LCM,
1 plus
4
root
plus
15 by 8.
under root 15 by 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
After that,
So till here only I also told.
So this is what I also told.
After that,
We can find the value of root 8 and we can take it outside.
okay. Till after that,
Yes, sir. 2 plus 2 root 15 by root 8.
hmm.
It will become 2 plus 2 root 15 by root 8 and then we can rationalize.
Okay.
I'll rationalize and tell you.
Yes, correct, Ashish.
Yes, sir. 2 root 8 plus 120 by 8.
2 root
2 root 8. No,
2
sir.
root
Answer. Answer, I'm telling.
2 root
2 root 8 plus 120 by 8.
by 8.
Yes, sir.
After that,
After this, you can take 2 common.
2 common,
Root 8 plus 60 by 8.
60.
Which will make it root 8 plus 60 by 4. Then you can again take common. You can write root 8 as 2 root 2 plus 60 by 4. Again, you can take 2 common. Then it will
Then
become
final answer tell.
root 2 plus 60 by 2.
Final answer tell.
Yes, sir. Root 2 plus 60 by 2.
Root 2 plus 60
By 2.
by 2.
Yes, sir.
But here root 5 plus root 3 upon 4 sin x by 2.
So how did it come there like that?
Root 5 plus root 3 upon
No, sir. Like after you take root outside of root over 4 plus root 15 by 8, root 4 is 2.
Okay.
Then after that plus 2 root 15 because double root is there divided by root 8. Yes, sir. Yes, I found my mistake. Just a second.
Root 5 plus root 3 upon 4 sin x by 2.
Yes, sir. I think I found my mistake. I'll just see it.
Check it once.
Yes, I'm almost got it, I think. So I'm getting again root 15 plus root 2 by 2
Root 15
plus root 2 by 2.
here root 4 plus root 15 upon 8.
Oh, sir, wait, just a minute.
Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 3. Correct? Is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 2 root 15. 2 root 15. Now 8 plus 2 root 15.
So just a minute.
2 root 15. Now denominator 2. Under root 2 multiply 16. Sorry, 8. 8 plus 2 root 15 upon 16. 8 plus 2 root 15 upon 16. Then root 5 plus root 3 upon 4. Correct, no? See here, under root 4 plus root 15 upon 8, no? Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Root 15 upon 8, then multiply and divided by 2. Multiply and
Into
divided
2
by
by 2 will be 8 plus 2 root 15 by 16.
16, right? Now
Yes, sir.
root 5 plus root 3 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to?
So how did you get root 5 plus root 3?
First find.
No, sir, like, why
See,
are you taking that?
inside 8 plus 2 root 15.
Yeah.
8 plus 2 root 15 can be written as root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3.
How, sir?
See, root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15.
Okay.
See here. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 8 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 15, sorry. 8 plus 2 root 15. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15. Now here 8 plus 2 root 15. 2 root 15 root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Square root get cancelled. And denominator root 16.
Okay,
Root
sir.
16 means 4.
4.
Root 5 plus root 3 upon 4.
So for that to take, like, for us to know that we should take that, so we should know the answer to the question, right?
But up to here enough.
Up to that enough.
Yes.
Okay, so because if you know
This
the
is
answer
lengthy.
only, you can go there.
No need. See, this up to here answer enough. Under root 4 plus 15 upon 8.
Okay, sir, just 2 minutes, I'll write it.
All of you understood? Deepika?
Yes, sir, understood.
Srinidhi?
Yes, sir, understood.
Next, cos x by 2, find cos x by 2.
Sir, is it root of 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4?
Which one?
Cos x by 2.
Root of?
8 minus 2 root 15.
Under root 8 minus
2 root
2 root 15 upon 16, right?
Upon 4, yes, sir.
Upon 4 or 16?
Sir, this root is not for 4. Like, root is only, yes, sir.
16,
16.
No?
Yes, sir. Then I found root 16. So I got 4.
Okay. Correct. All of you completed homework problems.
So which one?
And uploaded and solutions also uploaded in Google Class.
So which one?
Compound angles.
Sir, I don't think you actually gave the PDF in that.
PDF I will already uploaded 2 days back. And the solutions also uploaded.
Sir, just a minute, I'll check.
Okay, next tan x by 2, find tan x by 2.
So I'm getting tan x by 2 as 4 plus root 15.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Srinidhi. 4 plus root 15.
So
Hmm.
I got 8 plus 2 under root 15 divided by 2. When I simplified, even I got 4 plus under root 15.
Yes, correct. 4 plus root 15. Under root 15. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Yes, correct. Navika. All of you done? Y by V? Trishala?
Yes, sir.
Y by V?
Plus root 15.
4 plus root 15. Yes, correct. Trishala?
Yes, sir.
Y by V done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Tanya Singh.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Next, Deepika.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Next.
So just a minute, I'm almost done.
Next, find the value of first one, sine 22.5 degree.
Sir, the board is blurred.
Huh?
Okay, now it's fine.
Okay. Then next, cos 22.5 degree. And third one, tan 7.5 degree. Tan, sine, sorry. Sine 7.5 degree.
So, second one is cos 22.5.
22.5 degree. Twenty-two and a half degree means what?
45 by 2.
Yes.
Is sine 22.5 degree equal to root of 2 minus root 2 by 2?
Root of
2 minus root 2 by 2.
2 minus root 2. This is the answer.
Okay.
Under root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
I'm trying to simplify it more.
Okay.
I got this one.
Okay. This is the answer. Sine 22.5 degree. Cos
So
22.5 degree.
This one simplified version is 2 root 2 minus 1 by 4 root 8.
Okay, this one is enough.
Okay, sir.
In textbook also say this one answer.
Sir, I got this answer, then I tried to simplify further and I made a mistake in the further simplification.
Okay, this one simplification.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I tried to rationalize it.
Okay. No need. Enough.
Okay, sir.
So this one, second one, cos 22.5 is root over root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Root over?
Root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2.
Yes, correct only, no?
Yes, sir.
Under root 2 plus 1, 2 root 2. Absolutely correct.
So third one is root over root 2 minus 1 root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1. Oh, sine 7. Sorry, so I found
Sine 700
tan.
degree.
I found tan 1 by 44 by tan 22 1 by 2.
Sine 7.5 degree under root 4 root 6, 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 upon 2 root 2.
So how much is sine 15?
Sine?
15.
Sine 7.5 degree.
No, so what is the value of sine 15?
Sine 15 is equal to sine 45 minus 30.
Okay.
Sine 45 minus 30. Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2, I think. Root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Correct? Sine 45 degree minus 30. Okay. Now sine A cos B root 2 cos 30 by 2 minus. Okay.
So what is cos 15?
Cos 15 root 3
plus 1
upon 2 root 2.
Okay, sir.
Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. All of you done? Sine 7.5 degree.
Just a minute.
Srinidhi.
Yes, sir.
So I'm not getting it.
Which one?
Last one.
Sine 7.5 degree.
Yes.
Cos 15 degree.
Root 3
Root
plus
3
1 by
plus
2
1
root 2.
upon 2 root 2
Yes,
upon
sir.
by 2.
Yes, sir.
Then take LCM.
So yes, sir. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
See, cos sine 7.5 degree is equal to under root 1 minus root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 upon 2, right? Under root 2 root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, 4, right? 4 root 2. Okay? Understood? After that?
Yes.
Okay, this one is, okay, minus, open bracket. Minus multiply means minus 1. Minus root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now after that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's coming now.
2 root 2
Just
minus
2
root 3
minutes.
minus 1 upon 4 root 2. After that?
Multiply root 2 in the
Numerator and denominator multiplied by root 2. Numerator and denominator multiplied by root 2. Numerator and denominator multiplied by root 2. Then become 4 minus under root 4 minus root 6 minus 4 minus root 6 minus root 2, right? Root 2 upon root
8.
2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Under root 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 upon 8. Now is equal to under root 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 upon 2 root 2. 8 means 2 root 2. All of you done? All of you understood? Srinidhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Tanya? Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Trishala?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Vaibhavi?
Yes, sir.
Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Navika?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Rajashri Rai? Rajashri Rai? Can you hear me, Rajashri Rai? Hello? Rajashri Rai? Not responding. All of you done? Okay. Next problem. Fourth problem. Very, very important problem. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power of 6x minus 48 cos to the power of 4x plus 18 cos square x 18 cos square x minus 1. Very, very important problem. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power of 6x minus 48 cos to the power of 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1.
So the x is on top or bottom? Like it's with the power or it's in the base?
Which one? This one?
X.
4.
So x.
1, 2. Deepika, tell.
So x is with the power or with the base?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
See, cos power 6x, not
Okay. Okay.
cos power 6x. 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Cos 6x.
So I had some internet issues. So I had to.
Okay. See, cos 6x is equal to cos 3 into 2x, right? Or cos 2 into 3x. Any formula using. Okay. Ashish. Cos 6x is equal to cos 3 into 2x, right? Or cos 2 into 3x. Cos 3 into 2x is easy. This is lengthy. Cos 3x, what is the formula? Cos 3x is equal to y by v. Y by v.
Yes, sir.
Cos 3x formula tell. Cos 3x. Cos 3x. Cos 3x. Cos 3x.
So can I say?
No. Who? Srinidhi. No. Next, Trishala. Formulas reading. All of you, formulas reading. Reading formulas. All of you reading formulas. Trigonometry. All formula based questions asking. Cos 3x. Cos 3x is equal to Trishala.
Yes, sir.
Cos 3x is equal to.
Sir, cos 3x equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x.
Yes, correct. Vaibhavi, forgot Vaibhavi?
So yeah, suddenly I got confused.
Not suddenly. Formulas and all by hearting. Okay. All formulas by heart.
Sir, how many formulas? There are so many.
So many is there trigonometry.
Sir, I have proved.
Huh?
Sir, I have proved.
How much more is left in this chapter?
Next transformations, then next trigonometric equations. Only 2 concepts.
Okay, sir. This chapter is going on for 4 to 5 months.
Important concept, trigonometric equations. in JE level and advanced level. All of you done?
Done, sir.
Srinidhi done.
Yes, sir.
Aditya?
Sir, done.
Huh? Deepika?
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. Navika?
Done, sir.
Okay. Tanya? Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Sir, doing.
Vaibhavi done? Vaibhavi?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Next problem. Prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. One plus sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. Deepika,
Yes, sir.
1 minus cos theta formula tell. 1 minus cos theta. See, daily I am asking formulas, daily. 5 minutes. Daily asking. One minus cos theta. Navika. 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 Say yes or no, not responding. Navika. Navika. Deepika.
So I forgot.
Forgot. Okay. Tanya.
Sir, even I forgot.
Huh?
Sir, I don't remember.
See, daily 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. These two formulas, important formulas. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. See, all of you reading formulas, daily I am asking. Now here 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, right? Then formula of substituting. One minus cos theta, LHS take, RHS prove it, plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Now in place of 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, formula substituting, and sin theta formula, sin theta,
So
sin theta,
sin A is equal to 2 sin square A.
2 sin x by 2 x theta by 2 cos theta.
Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then substituting, then we will get tan theta by 2. Reading all formulas, Aditya, Ashish, Deepika, Navika, all of you done?
Doing,
Yes,
sir.
Done, Srinidhi?
yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Aditya, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ashish?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, Deepika?
Yes, sir. I just now completed it.
Okay, Navika?
Done, sir.
Okay, Rajeshri Rai?
Sir, actually, I was absent from 9th of November since I had my exams. So, like, I was absent from 9th of November.
Okay.
So, I have to see the videos, like, which are uploaded on YouTube, and then I'll try answering because I don't know these all.
Okay. No problem, Rajeshri Rai, no problem. Okay, next, Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trishala?
Done, sir.
Okay, Vaibhavi? Vaibhavi?
Done,
Done?
sir.
Completed, Vaibhavi? Okay, time is over, no? 5:31. Okay, then next class, remaining models is there, and one topic is there, sine 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, 36 degrees, sine 36 degree, cos 36 degree. These 4 formulas is there, then next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.